In this video, let's talk about how to use the Chase Marriott Bonvoy card benefits. So in order to use these benefits, and if you own one of these cards within and have added in within Chase, the only way that you can redeem it or get these benefits is you must link your card, and you'll be able to automatically receive the night credits as well as use the annual free night awards. So in order to do it, you simply need to head over to the rewards and benefits section within your Chase application, and right here on the bottom or within all partners, and you need to find the option which says Marriott Bonvoy. Once you found this particular partner, you'll be able to transfer all of the points that you have gathered within your card to the particular partner. So just type in or top off your points that you want to transfer and then simply tap on next. This way you'll be able to leverage your elite status, which means you can check your tier as well as claim hotel perks. So this is the exact way on how you do it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.